Okay, Hazen, Alistair, and Bella. Oh, look, we're going to identify the picture. Hazen, come here. Go, your turn. Look, person. Look at the picture. Monkey, zoo, lady, and a ball. Which one is a person? Person. Okay, very good, Hazen. Good job. Okay, sit down. Go. Green chair. You go back to your seat. Okay, good job, Hazen. Next, Bella, your turn. Bella, your turn. Next, animal. Okay, look at the picture. Which one is an animal? Go, Bella. Look, I see row. Look at your word. Animal. Again. Animal. Monkey or zoo? Okay, monkey. Good job, Bella. Sit down. Go. Sit down. Next, Alistair. Thing. Which picture is a thing? Look. Thing. Is it the zoo or the ball? Okay, good job, Alistair. Very good. Next, Hazen. Your turn. Go, next. How about the place? Look. No. Don't remove. Place. Zoo. Where's the zoo? Zoo. Okay, good job, Hazen. Go. Put it here. Yes, zoo. Here, put here. Okay, very good, Hazen. Go sit down. Go back to your seat. Go, sit down na. Sit down. Okay, next. Look, chair. School. Elephant and boy. Okay, Bella, come here. Bella. Look, place. Which in the picture is a place? Place. Look again. Look mo, chair or the school? Okay, school, put Bella here. Okay, good job, Bella. Go sit down. Next, Alistair. Next, animal. Go, animal. Alistair, here, elephant. Go put. Okay, good job, Alistair. Next, Hazen. Last one, Hazen. People. Okay, people. Again, look, is it the chair or the boy? Which one? People. Okay, very good, Hazen. Good job. Sit down, go. Sit down. Okay, next, Alistair. Next one, Alistair. Your turn. Ting. Come here. Okay, Bella, Alistair, and Hazen. Look, we're going to sort the picture. If it is, look, animals or places. Okay, look at the picture. Wait, Alistair, wait for your turn. Look, Hazen, police station. What is that? Is it animal or a place? Okay, good job, Hazen. Very good. Waiting hands. Wait for your turn. Next one, Alistair. Next, how about the cat? Go. Waiting hands. Wait for your turn. Go, cat. Again, look at the picture. Is it place or animal? Look. One more, Alistair. Place or animal? Cat. What is that? Okay, animal. Very good. Next, Bella, your turn. Next, how about the church? Church, go, Bella. Where do you put the church? Is it a place or an animal? Go. Bella. Go. Okay, good job. Next, Hazen, your turn. Look. What is this, Hazen? Bird. Okay, bird is... Okay, very good. Animal. Good job. Waiting hands, Alistair. Wait for your turn. Next, how about the school? Is it a place or an animal? Go, Alistair. Place or animal? School. One more. School. Go. Okay, good job, Alistair. Waiting hands. Go, put. mouse. Go. Mouse is an animal or a place. Sit down. Sit down. Bella, go. Mouse. Okay, very good. Next. Look. Next is look things. Alistair, look things. Okay, very good. Things. Or waiting hands. Things or people. Okay. Look at the choices, ha. Waiting hands, Alistair. Look. Hazel. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher is a thing or a people? Teacher. Go. Teacher. Go, Hazel. Is it a people or a thing? Go. Teacher. Where do you put the teacher? Go, Hazel. One more. Is it people or thing? Okay, good job, Hazel. Wait hands. Wait hands. Okay, next. Alistair, your turn. How about the dentist? What is that? Is it thing or a people? Okay, very good. Alistair, waiting hands. Waiting hands. Next, Bella, your turn. Fireman, go. Fireman, Bella. You put the fireman. Great job, Bella. Next. Hazel, next one, your turn. Ball. Look. Ball. Where do you put the ball? Is it a people or a thing? That's your turn. Go, Hazel. Hazel, go. Ball. Ball. Turn, Alistair. Go, Hazel. Ball. Ball. Is it a people or a thing? Ball. Go, Hazel. Okay. Go. Where do you put the ball? Go. It's a thing or a people? Ball. Thing or a people? Go. Ball is, hold on, is, okay, thing. Very good, Hazel. Next, Alistair. Shoes. Shoes.
Okay, can you get all the animals? Animals, go. Oh no, animals. Cat, cat, cat. What else? Cat and elephant. Get elephant and cat. Hold. Here. Go back. Bella, can you get all the person? Look mo, Bella, person. Oh no. Hindi po yan. Wag mo lang. Bella, doctor, and look, Bella, all the person, and teacher. Okay, good job. Go back. Okay, good job. Go slowly. Careful. Okay. Alright. Can you get all the things? Look, more things. Pencil. And what is this? What is this? Comb. Step up. Alistair, Bella, and Hazen. Now look, we're going to match the picture.
Red.
Hazen.
Hazen, go to the top.
Hazen. Your turn. Okay, this one. Read. People. Oh, where's the people? Oh, much. Where's the people? Oh, people.
Daddy Shark.
Yes, later. Oh, I have the teacher. Oh, look. Oh. You hold it properly. I have the teacher. People, where's the teacher? Teacher. Okay, good job. Oh, sit down. Next, Bella. Oh, Ting. Where's the chair? Okay, next one. Alistair. Animal. Where's the animal? Look my picture, oh. Where's the animal? Much. Go, draw a line. Go. Okay, good job, Alistair. Next, Hazen. Place. Where's the place? Go. No. Oh, look, I have the teacher. Oh, tuloy mo na. Animal. Okay, wait for your turn. Sit down. Okay, next, Bella. Place. Here, place. So look at the picture. It's house or book? Place. Hold the property. So last one. Alistair. Ting. It's a book. Okay. Good job, everyone. Over your ears. Wow. P-R. It's okay. Wow. ABC.
Hazen, look.
A is for apple. It's okay. Music. It's okay. Wow. Apples, and bouncy balls.
Please.